Born in 1930 in Hungary, George Soros grew up in a world marred by conflict. But instead of succumbing to the struggles around him, he found opportunity. Soros's sharp intellect and background in economics helped him navigate the tumultuous financial world, eventually founding Soros Fund Management in 1970, which would become a global powerhouse. But Soros is most famous for his 1992 Black Wednesday trade, where he made $1 billion by betting against the British pound. A trade so bold, so calculated, it would change his life forever and etch his name in the history of financial markets. On September 16, 1992, the world witnessed Black Wednesday, a day that would forever be linked to Soros. The UK had joined the European Exchange Rate Mechanism, ERM, trying to keep the British pound within a fixed trading range. However, Soros had a different view. He recognized that the pound was overvalued and that the British government would be unable to defend it indefinitely. So, Soros took action. He shorted the pound to the tune of $10 billion, a move that sent shockwaves through the financial world. As the British government tried unsuccessfully to prop up the pound, Soros made an enormous profit of $1 billion in just one day. This trade cemented his place as one of the greatest traders in history, but it also taught an important lesson. Sometimes the most profitable trades are the ones that go against conventional wisdom. While Soros's famous trade was a huge success, his true genius lies in his theory of reflexivity, which redefined how we understand market behavior. Soros proposed that market participants don't simply react to external factors. They shape those factors with their actions. This means that markets are not always in equilibrium. Instead, they are influenced by the perceptions of traders, which can lead to feedback loops, distorting reality. This theory helped Soros identify opportunities others missed. He understood that market psychology plays a massive role in driving prices, whether through bubbles or crashes. He saw that human behavior and emotions could change market fundamentals, creating patterns that could be exploited. Soros's legendary career wasn't just about making the right calls, it was about managing risk. Soros once famously said, "I'm only rich because I know when I'm wrong. I basically have survived by being able to admit that I was wrong." This mindset was key to his success. Soros understood that, as a trader, you will be wrong, but what matters is how quickly you recover. When Soros made a big bet, he had the conviction to hold it, but when the trade went against him, he would cut his losses immediately. Risk management was a huge part of his success, and he knew how to protect his capital while also making enormous profits when the market was on his side. But Soros's legacy is not only tied to his trading career. He became a prominent philanthropist and political activist, donating billions to promote democracy and human rights through his Open Society foundations. Soros has used his wealth to foster democratic reforms around the world, from supporting the fall of communism in Eastern Europe to funding education initiatives in the US. His focus has always been on freedom, open societies, and human progress, issues he believes to be central to long-term prosperity. So, what can we learn from Soros's journey? Here are a few key takeaways for modern traders. 1. Risk management is key. Know when to take risks, but also know when to cut your losses and move on quickly. 2. Market psychology. Understand that markets are driven by human emotions and perceptions, not just rational data. 3. Conviction in your strategy. Soros wasn't afraid to make big bets, but he also knew when to change course. 4. Adaptability. The financial world is constantly changing. Soros was always adaptable, constantly learning and refining his strategies. By learning from Soros's insights, modern traders can develop their own risk management systems, recognize market psychology, and make informed decisions based on conviction and discipline. George Soros is more than just a trader. He is a master of risk, psychology, and philosophy in finance. His trades have shaped history, and his legacy continues to influence the world of finance today. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned veteran, there's a lot to learn from Soros's career. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content on the world's greatest traders. Let us know your thoughts on Soros's trading philosophy, or if you'd like to see more episodes on legendary traders. Until next time, keep trading smart and stay ahead of the curve.